Hi, welcome back to Talk of the Town. Alana Adams, Senior Director of Education for the Art Center of Coastal Carolina, explains the value of the Vision and Performing Arts Summer Camp they offer for our children. Alana, hello.
Hi.
Good to have you. So what can children expect to do at a typical Art Center camp?
Well, we have camps in both the visual and performing arts. So for the kids that like to draw and paint or make things out of clay, we've got several art camps throughout the summer where they're going to be making art in 2D and 3D. And then we also have performing arts so that the children can come and do things like dancing and music. And we also have some theater camps for the kids that are really into acting. We have some programs that are even will go throughout the day where you can maybe in the morning do some visual arts and in the afternoon do performing arts.
Oh, that's a great option for, for kids that maybe just getting acclimated to one or the other.
Absolutely, and like our Take the Stage camp, we call it, because it's just a little taste of everything, so they don't really have to know exactly what their passion is. We'll do a little bit of all the performing arts that week, so that they can sort of be exposed to a lot of different art forms.
Very nice, very nice. So for those parents who already know and love your summer arts program, is there anything new they will find this year? So this is, you do have adult and children classes, correct?
We do. We have a few workshops throughout the year that are for adults. Of course, our summer programming for our arts camps will go on all throughout the summer, but we're especially excited about our new 3D printing and STEAM classes and workshops. A big trend in education and art education. You might have heard of STEM education, the science, technology, engineering, and math.
Right.
Well, in the arts, we add an A and make it STEAM because we know that in the arts, you're going to be doing all of those things like math and creative problem solving and engineering and lots of those same elements. So what we've done is design some camps that are called our STEAM camps, and these are all new this year. We have some really exciting opportunities. We have a lady coming from Florida who's going to be teaching some 3D printing camp for our kids that are 11 and up.
Okay.
We also will have a Da Vinci lab for the creative arts and sciences.
Fun.
Which will be kind of introducing the mindset of Leonardo da Vinci, who was an inventor as well as an artist. So we'll kind of go into a lot of those concepts. And then later in July, we're going to have a Tinker Lab, which I'll actually be instructing. One of my favorite things. So the kids are going to be making conductive clay and learning about circuits and all kinds of science and math concepts while we make our art.
Yeah.
And then we also have a new camp that's going to be a Star Wars Transformers camp. We've got a great instructor coming in to do that. The kids are going to learn a lot of 3D modeling techniques out of cardboard, how to structurally engineer cardboard for strength and design and those sorts of things.
I wish I had the summer off.
Lots of fun. And then for our adults, as you mentioned, while Jenna Lynn's here from Florida with her 3D printers, she's going to be doing some fun workshops. We call them our family fun workshops because you can be ages 7 all the way to 100 and come and enjoy learning about this new exciting thing of the 3D printing. So you go in and do computer animated design, which is going to eventually lead you with a small part that's printed three-dimensionally from a new kind of printer. So very cool stuff.
Yeah, very cool stuff. So what ages are you looking to participate in this camp?
Sure. Our camps start for ages 6 and go through ages 16.
Okay.
And they're in different brackets, so they won't all be in the same camps at the same time, but we have something for all of those ages in between.
And do the children need any type of prior experience in arts or, acting, anything, or is it just they can have a clean slate?
They really don't have to have any previous experience. Our children will come to us with all sorts of experience. Some will have been in theater programs or dance programs since they were little tots, and some are just getting interested in the arts. And so really no previous experience is necessary. Everybody's going to take away something no matter what their level or ability is.
And so quickly, how do people sign up for the classes? What's the schedule?
Sure. We have a great online sign up. up. So you can just go to our website at www.artshhi.com, and if you go to the education page and follow the summer camps, you're going to see all the descriptions, pictures, instructor bios, everything that you need to know, and there's just a click here to register. You can also pay online at our payment portal there. Of course, people can always come in person or talk to me or do it on the phone if they would like, but we find that 24/7 online registration to be really popular.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for catching us up on this wonderful summer program that the Arts Center offers.
Well, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. And we'll be right back with Talk of the Town.